Jerusalem. They began to encourage each other. But check this out. The place and the position that they were going wasn't just a straight path. But as they began to sing this song of encouragement to one another and talk about the goodness of the Lord, they were walking up higher because they were going up steps. So every time they encouraged one another, they began to take another step higher to get closer to the presence of the Lord.
Yes, Lord.
Transition to ascension.
Yes, Lord.
So here we go. They're encouraging each other and they're having church before they even get to church, because they're thinking about what's going to happen once they get there and what God has already done. So now we get to verse 2 where it says, our feet shall stand within thy gates, O Jerusalem. And the reason why they got to verse 2 is because this wasn't a small journey, but they encountered some dangers along the way. But